What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Nick Go. You already know. And today on Nick's Kicks we have another fresh unboxing, and this one is going to be coming from Undefeated. And pretty much on this drop, I was early morning. I had work at 9. Luckily at 8 o'clock I was here to run my bot NSB, Nike shoe bot. If you guys don't know what that is, it's a pretty good bot for $500. Can't go wrong with it. I really like it. Pretty good success. There's just a lot of users, but it's really helpful support team and everything. So I highly recommend them. Go check them out. At Nike Shoe Bot. But we got the Yeezy Bariums in here, but make sure you guys like, subscribe, the whole shebang before we get into this unboxing. We're almost at 200, so keep liking the videos, and I think I'm going to start making some TikToks pretty soon. And we got a couple of cool unboxings coming up on the channel. And we might actually have some car content actually coming up soon. That'd be pretty cool with my own car that I might be getting in the near future. And also, I won't be posting as much because I do work every day, so it does get a little busy over the summer. But I will continue to post some cops, drop some video ideas that you guys want to see on the channel. And let's get straight into this unboxing. I actually never have ordered from Undefeated. Drop a like if you guys have, or a comment. But I never can get it. But luckily, because I know this release was a mess. So I was really happy I just hit one early in the morning, Shopify. Alright, so we got the Yeezy. Let's see, we got a little note. Undefeated. Alright, nothing too special. Alright, this is a big box. Holy. Okay. So in this box, this is my actually the first look at this pair. This is the Yeezy Quantum in a size 10 in the Barium colorway. Here's a little size tag. Got some info on it. Pretty cool box. It's like your standard 350 box, but it just says Quantum on top. So 350. Pretty cool. Personally, I don't know what this color was gonna look like in hand, so let's go ahead and see. Alright. Ooh. These are pretty sick. Okay, so here's the Yeezy Quantum Barium. It's kind of got a little bit of a greenish, grayish color to it. Nice suede on the toe box. Right there. Good quality, feels like. It's a pretty bulky shoe, but you got the nice full-length boost system. Now, I don't know. I think this one is just the lifestyle one. It's actually not the design for basketball one. It's only, I think it's purpose for just like style and stuff like that, but they do have the Quantum Basketball, which is, I know they had it in the OG colorway, but I don't think they made it in this one. But it is still a good shoe. I'd be interested to see if someone wanted to test the Barium color out just to see how these would perform. I think these have 3M. Let me see. Take a picture with my flash here real quick. Oops, I need to do that. Alright, let's see. Yeah, they got a little bit. It's kind of hard to tell in this, but it's got a little bit on the heel tab and on the upper. Pretty cool. Let's get the other pair out, make sure they're all looking good. Yeah, let's see what the laces look like too. Make sure they're DS. Indeed they are. Alright, we're good. Interesting. I've never seen this. Anti-mold chip? Have you guys... That came in the shoe? Okay. Interesting. Could just either way Undefeated puts access to their shoes. Definitely a little odd. I've never seen anything like that. But Undefeated is a legit place to buy your shoes from, so no worries here. And I will go after to make sure to do a legit check with everything. Make sure these are good. But everything so far is looking pretty good. Size tag, I can do that real quick. Good way to check is always the size tag. Look for any issues in the fonts. Everything looks good, yeah. Tagged. And we'll feel a boost. Yup, that's a good boost. But the upper really is interesting. This is like more of like a mesh material right here, and then you got the prime knit with a little bit of like this rubber outing. It's definitely a bulky shoe because this does not look like a size 10. This looks more like a size like 11 or something like that. So I don't know if these run big, but I'm assuming they do just because all Yeezys run big usually, 350 wise. But yeah, this is the Yeezy Quantum Barium. Definitely an interesting color. Drop a comment down below what you guys think resale is gonna be at, because we can take a look right now, and because we have a size, most of the sizes under 10 weren't looking too hot. Let me pull these up on our favorite app, StockX. Okay, so in a size 10, they're around 350 is the current resale on a size 10, and I think that's they were higher. They did dip down quite a bit, but I don't know if these. I'm probably just gonna try and sell these, get them out, and just move on to the next shoe, because we do have those, like the gray smoke Jordan 1s, which should be doing really good resale wise, I think, in my opinion, because it was such a clean color. But yeah, drop a comment down below if you guys would hold, sell, or would you rock these on feet. So drop a comment down below. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time on Nick's Kicks. Peace.